Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MSAL for Android for work and school accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Android Studio IDE. Make sure you have a project created for your application. Navigate to the project level build.gradle file. In the dependencies section, add the MSAL library by including the following line: implementation com.microsoft.identity.client MSAL 2.0.10. Then, sync your project with Gradle files to download the necessary dependencies. Next, open your app-level build.gradle file. Under the dependencies section, ensure you have the following: implementation androids.appcompat appcompat 1.3.1. Sync the project again to ensure these dependencies are also included. Now, you need to configure the MSAL library in your application. Navigate to the residential directory in your project. Under Res, create a new directory named XML if it doesn't exist. Right-click on the XML directory and select New XML Resource File. Name the file auth_config.xml. In this file, add the necessary configuration to specify your application details, such as client ID and redirect URI. The content might look something like this: OAuth2 client_ID your_ID_here/client_ID redirect_URI your_redirect. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual client ID and redirect URI. Now, let's set up MSAL in your main activity file. Open your mainActivity.java or mainActivity.kt file. Create an instance of the public client application class. Pass your application context and the configuration file resource. Initialize the MSAL library in the onCreate method. Now, implement an authentication flow by adding an event listener to a button in your app. When the button is clicked, call the acquire token method of the public client application instance. Make sure to request the scopes you specified in your configuration. Handle the authentication response by overriding the onActivityResult method. Make sure to parse the authentication result for tokens and handle error cases appropriately. Finally, run your application on a device or an emulator to test the authentication process. Ensure your device is connected to the internet to allow for authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.